hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making egg roll, guys. This is 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to seasoning first right now. I'm going to add half tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon beef flavor, and 1 teaspoon garlic, tablespoon of sesame oil, tablespoon minced onions, tablespoon parsley. Mix it, guys, mix it well first. This is egg roll wrapper, guys, and I'm going to use 1 egg. I'm going to take out the white one. Mix it a little bit, guys, and I'm going to take 1 piece of egg roll wrapper. Fold it a little. Now I'm going to take a tablespoon of beef. Now fold it from the left side first, and then fold it from the right side. Roll it. And now I'm going to making the second one. I do the same thing that the first one. Fold it a little. Now I'm going to take tablespoon of beef. Fold it from the left side first, and fold it from the right side. Now roll it. And now smear with the white egg a little bit. And close it. Okay, like that, guys. Right now I'm going to making triangle, guys. I take tablespoon of beef. I put in the middle. And fold it from the left side first. And then fold it from the right side. Roll it. Now fold it from the top a little bit. Fold it from the left side first. And now smear it with the white egg, smear all over. And close it. Like that, guys. And now I'm going to making second triangle. I have to take a tablespoon of beef. I put in the middle. Close it from the left side first. And close it from the left side. Fold it from the top a little bit. And fold it from the left side first. And now smear it with the white egg. Close it. Okay, like that, guys. All done, guys. I make all of them. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget subscribe me like and share, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you guys, have a good evening. Bye guys.